Dude, what the heck? Mount Holly issued an SVR? Well, what the heck? That's so weird. Why did they issue an SVR? Why'd you not go off?
Southwestern Morris County, southeastern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey until 5:45.
How did an SVR come out of nowhere?
A severe thunderstorm
What the heck?
over Gardner, or 15 miles east of Easton, moving northeast at 25
That
miles
is
per
so
hour.
weird. Bro,
Hazard, 60 miles
why
per hour
an
winds
SVR?
and quarter-size hail.
That's so confusing.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to
I want to know why there's an SVR.
Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible.
Dude, that came out of nowhere.
Locations impacted
What the
include
Sigma?
Hutchinstown,
What the
Washington,
heck?
High Bridge, Clinton, Peacock, and
That's
Gladstone, Glen Gardner, Chester, Hampton, Lebanon, California, Long Valley, Red Lake, Annandale, Beach Youngstown, and Beattystown. This includes Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile 1.
Dude, SVR that came out of nowhere.
For your protection, move to an interior room
What
on
the
the lowest floor of the
heck?
building.
That was unexpected.
You're listening to Notes All Hazards Radio, station KWO35 in New York City. This broadcast
Random SVR just came out of nowhere. Boy, what the heck?
the National Laboratory in Upton, New
I'm so
York.
confused.